All right, the wig I have today is from WigShe, and they gifted me this wig. It is gorgeous. She's 22 inches long. I'm going to put all the details in the description below. But this is just gorgeous. If you're looking for a human hair wig, this is 100% Remy human hair. It's a gorgeous color. It took a couple of months for it to arrive to me. They made it especially for me. I told them what I'd like, how long I wanted it, and the color. And you know me in reds, I love this color. Just gorgeous. The knots are bleached, and you can see here at the hairline, it's just beautiful. You can't see anything really here. It just looks like it's coming out of your scalp. So this wig, we had to cut the lace. So there's another video on a short that shows me with a, looks like a bridal veil. And I cut the lace on the camera so you can see how I do that. It's scary at first, but it's relatively simple. So let's put this beauty on. She, like I said, is very long, and that's intentional. I like long hair because you can see I already have short hair. So I've never been able to grow my own hair long. I've always wanted long hair.